Okay guys, so here's a sample of a video I did for Nerium to get Spanish speaking leads. The video was published in uh, May of last year and right around here. So these folks, as you can see the date 5/26, they were interested in the Nerium product and here's 5/6. I think I ran it for like 3 or 4 days. This was just um whatchamacallit. They were just stragglers, but the couple of days that I ran it, as you can see, 5/2 was a busy day. A lot of people. I think that's when I started it, and I probably stopped it after I got all these leads because you can only work with so many at a time. There's no sense in getting hundreds and thousands if you don't have the time. But we'll start from 5/1. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46. And oh, did I reply to 6? So maybe it did 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 50, 52 leads in one day. Okay. Then on the second, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56. Anyway, I mean, probably, I don't know, 200 leads, 150 leads in 2 days. Okay, so the stuff works, obviously. The video that I ran was, see if I can find it. This was one of them here. This is for real estate. This was in English. I ran it back in July. And got 7 comments. But let's see here. Where's the I think it's down here in my video. Let's see. Yeah, so this is the video that I ran. Let me see. I want to see the. Introducirlos a ustedes a un negocio. ¿Qué tal, amigos? Yo me llamo José García. El propósito de este video es para introducirlos a ustedes a un negocio que nos ha dado un estilo de vida, pero soñable. En realidad, estamos muy bendecidos y queremos, pues, estar dado a nosotros. Estamos ahorita trabajando, como quien dice, de nuestra casa. Estamos aquí en California disfrutando de esta. So basically, I'm telling them I'm working from home. All you need is a computer and internet. I had 503 clicks, but on the inbox, I got about 200 and then 27 here. So about half of the people probably, ended up leaving their information. Okay, so and here, this is the public comments, and that was in my inbox. And obviously, they're leaving their information here and asking questions, blah blah blah. So, so anyway, that's what it is. I do a video and publish it, advertise it on the social media. This goes to Instagram too. That's the way to do it. Okay, I've done several, as you can see. I've done a ton. So if you're interested, let me know. Okay, thanks.